Hello everyone, welcome to the 14th tutorial of Introduction to ArcGIS. Today we will talk about image classification. This is the table of contents we will follow throughout the video. First, we will create composite bands. Here are the satellite images we have, so we will select it and go to the image analysis. Then we will select all the satellite images again and create composite bands. This is how we can create a composite bands. There are other ways. For that, we will select composite band tools. Then first, we will search the composite band tools. In the composite band tools, we will select all the satellite images as input rasters. And we will select our output raster as composite bands.tif. We will select the RGB according to our false color so that we can analyze it easily. Then we will go to the classification tool and select ISO clustered unsupervised classification. From this, we can classify this image as unsupervised version. For supervised classification, we will go to the classification tool again and select the training sample managers. In the training sample managers, we will select one class and many polygons under the class. So we will create many polygons for one class. After that, we will select all the classes and merge it as one class. For this is the water body or river. Like this, we will do many classes according to our image. Next, we will save this as a shapefile. After that, we will go to the classification and interactive supervised classification. When we press that, a classified output is shown. Now we will select the colors according to our preferences. Next, we will go to the train random trees classifier. In this, we will input the composite, and in this, we will select the class shapefile we have created. We will press OK. After that, we will have to go to the classify raster tool. In the classified raster tool, we will input the composite, and input classified definition, we will select the class.ecd file we have created earlier. And as the output unclassified rasters, we will create a TIF file. And we will click OK, and we can see another version of classifying. We will correct the color according to our preferences for better understanding. This was all for today. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. Thank you.